Tesla Cybertruck is the main course at the Supercharger Diner. Tesla Cybertruck panels that are left over from manufacturing became the main course at the Supercharger Diner, contributing to the futuristic restaurant's unique exterior design. The Supercharger Diner was an idea of Tesla CEO Elon Musk's in 2018, and in July 2025, it officially opened for business, serving a variety of interesting dishes in a futuristic setting that pays homage to the 1950s restaurant experience. The design of the diner is what truly sets it apart. It is reminiscent of the stainless exterior that Tesla used for the Cybertruck. It turns out that's exactly what it is. Tesla chief designer Franz von Holzhausen revealed in an interview with Tesla Owners Club Austria that the company used recycled panels from Cybertruck manufacturing as siding on the epic diner. Here's what he said. Tesla Diner was inspired by the Jetsons and was built with steel from Cybertruck production. Tesla sourced its stainless steel for the exoskeleton of the Cybertruck from Steel Dynamics and its plant in Sinton, Texas. The company confirmed this through various outlets, including exhibit descriptions at the Peterson Automotive Museum. The steel is refined through a third party before it is used. It also uses the same steel for SpaceX Starship. It's pretty interesting that Tesla chose to use the stainless steel for the exterior of the diner in Los Angeles. But it also makes sense, considering how durable it has proven to be. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslarati.